Introducing the Muzen Wild Mini, a retro military-style Bluetooth speaker with superior sound performance. The perfect companion for your next adventure. No matter if you're out for a weekend trip with your friends or just bring it when you're out alone, Muzen Wild Mini is designed to unleash your authentic inner wildness at any place you can imagine. An included LED light makes it also perfect for night activities or camping. Now you can enjoy music on full blast. Crank up the volume without sacrificing sound quality. The intuitive control makes it very convenient and easy to use. Just control your playlist directly from the speaker through Bluetooth without touching your phone. Rugged, powerful, and portable, Muzen Wild Mini is not just another toy gadget, but an extremely tough speaker with superior sound performance that fits in the palm of your hand. Using only premium materials, the speaker is designed with a full metal body, ammo boxes structure, and a unique knob shape, satisfying all your illusions of wilderness or military. Muzen Wild Mini is a Bluetooth speaker for outdoor lovers. Easy to carry, super sturdy, but not compromising in sound quality. Bid for your Wild Mini now and get ready for your next adventure.